Lecture 3, Starting a New Project, Docs versus Decks. Now, it's time to start building your first project. But before you dive in, there is one important decision to make. Should you create a doc or a deck? This choice shapes how your content is viewed, shared, and experienced. Today, we will unpack the differences between the two, help you understand when to use each, and walk you through starting a new project step by step. In this lecture, you will learn how to start a new project in Gamma, the key differences between docs and decks, and how to choose the best format for your content based on its purpose and audience. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the difference between a doc and a deck in Gamma. Choose the right format for your content type. Start a new project using either a blank template or AI assistance. Recognize good use cases for each format. Let's begin with the core question. What's the difference between a doc and a deck in Gamma? Docs, clean, scrollable, and structured. A doc in Gamma feels a lot like reading a web article or report. It's a continuous scroll layout, great for when you want people to take in your content at their own pace. For example, when you just click on this create new and click on this generate, and there is an option called doc or document. So this is a specifically doc that you want the users or the people or the audience to take in your content at their own pace. Use a doc when you are writing something linear like a report, article, or proposal. The content is more text heavy and less visual. You don't need to present the content live, but rather share it to be read. Good examples: project summaries, internship reports, research write ups, event proposals. Docs are simple, clear, and focused on readability. Think of them as polished documents you would send to someone to review on their own. Decks, slide by slide, visual, and interactive. A deck, on the other hand, works more like a modern presentation. It's made up of slides, but without the clunky feel of traditional tools. Each slide becomes a focused frame for one idea. Use a deck when you're planning to present live or walk someone through your content. The project is visual or benefits from being broken into steps. You want to use animations, interactivity, or dynamic content. Good examples. For example, if you want to present like that, and the examples are class presentations, startup pitches, workshop overviews, portfolios, and resumes. Decks are ideal when you want your message to land slide by slide and guide your viewer through your ideas in a structured way. Now that you know the difference, here is how you can begin. Click the Create New icon in the top right of your Gamma dashboard, like in here. You can just click on this Generate. And now, choose either Start from scratch or use AI to help. Great if you're not sure where to begin. Pick whether you want to create a doc or a deck. For doc, you just will have to choose this one, and for deck, you just have to click on this presentation, and you have example prompts as well. Name your project. Choose something simple and descriptive. You can always change it later. Now, if you want, for example, you just will have to choose deck or presentation, and you just will have to write a presentation at Einstein Theory of Special Relativity for Dummies. And you can just click on that, and you can just click on this generate outline. Here is a presentation, and you can just have the themes as well. For example, you can view more as well. You can use any of these, and you can have a custom theme as well. But if you want to choose any of these like that, you can just click any of these. For example, you just will have to go with blueberry, and it changes like that, and you can just select the theme and click on generate. It will take a little while. Now you have created a presentation of that specific topic as spatial relativity and India's guide. So you just have all these slides, images, and points as well. If you are testing the platform for the first time, start with the deck. It's more visual and lets you explore more features. Here you can see you can change the theme as well. You can present, or you can use the AI or card style as well. For example, you can change this as like that, and it will be changed accordingly. When in doubt, ask yourself, will this be read or presented? Is this a solo piece or part of a group project? Do I want people to scroll or click through it step by step? The answers will point you in the right direction.